Hello everyone, welcome to Python tutorials. In this tutorial, I will discuss how you can read Excel file using Python. So for demo purpose, this is the Excel file in which you can see there are three columns: name, study hours, and grade of the student. So this is my Excel sheet, and I have 23 students, and three columns are there: name, study hours, and grade. And I will read this Excel sheet with the help of Python. So open the Jupyter terminal, and here first of all you need to upload the file. So just click on upload and upload the file which you want to read with the help of Python. So I have uploaded the file. You can see these are the files which I have uploaded. Okay, and then you need to install this module XLRD. So as it is already being installed in my system, so I'm getting this message: requirement already satisfied. So first time you need to install this module. Okay, and this module actually you can read Excel sheet of before 2003. So so you need to save the Excel sheet in this format: Excel 97 2003 workbook. So this module has some limitation. It only reads the previous versions of the Excel sheet. So what I'm gonna do, first of all I will import the package. So import this package, and then I will use this module to open the workbook. So xlrd.open workbook, and here I will pass the name of the workbook. So you can see the name of the workbook is this one, so I have passed here. And now then I will read the sheet. As workbook has may have more than one sheet, so I am reading the first sheet. So so just simply use workbook dot sheet by index. So index is 0. 0 index means I want to read the first sheet. So first sheet is will be saved in this sheet variable. So first of all I will get the number of rows and columns. For that I will use sheet. I have, you can see, sheet I have used by index 0 to get the sheet, and then I will get the number of rows from that sheet, and I will store that in num underscore rows variable. And then I will use the n calls to extract the number of columns from the sheet, and I will store in the num underscore columns. My sheet has, you can see, 24 rows and 3 columns. So value of n number of rows will be 24, and the value of number of columns will be 20 will be 3. Okay, and then I will use the for loop. So for row index in range of number of rows, for every row this for loop will be executed. And then I am creating a variable rows empty, and then for within a particular row, for every column, so for every column in the range, I am extracting the cell values. For extracting the cell value, I am using sheet dot cell value, and here I am passing row index and column index. So row index and column index. So I am extracting the cell values one by one for every row, and then I am appending it to the rows. So this is the blank array. You can see I have used blank list I have used, and I am appending the row value. I am appending the cell value in the particular row, and then I am printing the rows. So when I run this cell, you can see the output. I am able to read all the sheet, all the data which is in the sheet with the help of Excel. So let's try another sheet. So now I am going to open this sheet, final superstore.xls. So here I will change it. So first of all you need to upload the sheet into the Jupyter runtime environment. So here I have uploaded this sheet, final superstore.xls, and just run this cell. So you can see all the data of that sheet is visible to me. So very simple. So let me open the First, let me open the sheet to show you the data. So final superstore. So this is the, you can see the data of my sheet: row id, order date, and here I am also getting row id, order date, ship date. So very simple. So this way you can read the data of any sheet with the help of Python. And as my workbook, you can see this workbook has three sheets. So this is first sheet, this is second sheet. So if I want to read the sheet number, this I want to read the returns sheet data. So it is 0 index, it is 1 index, so I will pass here 1 index, and then I will run it, and you can see now I am able to read the second sheet data. Similarly, I can read the third sheet data by changing the index here. So it's very easy to use, so you must try it if you want to read Excel sheet data with the help of Python. It's very important question. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day.